Welcome to week 6. Now, don't get hung up if you don't have a training partner. I was just having a conversation with somebody yesterday and they said, they're not able to see through the program because their training partner is sick at the moment. You don't need a training partner. I train by myself the majority of the time. You need to be self-motivated, okay? You can push yourself to failure, but only if you want it bad enough. So don't rely upon anybody else. This is your personal journey. Now, if you're eating 4 to 6 times a day, it can get a little bit boring. It can get a little bit bland. So get creative with your meals. You can use plenty of herbs, plenty of spices, plenty of vegetables and salads. Have a bit of lemon juice on there as well. That's absolutely fine. And if you're craving something a little bit savory, you probably want to add a little bit more salt on your food. If you're craving something sweet, maybe add a little bit of stevia. And if it feels like you're going to give in to your cravings, have some casein mixed like a mousse and maybe add some frozen berries to it and drink plenty of hydrocharge. That refreshing taste will quench you. Have a great week 6. I'll see you in the last week.